Kamrul,
Yeah,
why are you upset?
it's about the World Cup final. The World Cup final was so disappointed that it was really unexpected. Team like Argentina, everybody wanted a special something from them this time, but the way they played, I don't think it was a final that people will remember for long time for the greatness. I think people will remember for the Argentina's fall down. They just made us upset. We have Sabir Ahmed, the great analyst. Sabir, tell us what happened wrong.
No, as a Argentina fan, I would like to say that that was an off day for all of the players, and Spain really played really well. So it can happen throughout the tournament. Argentina played really well. They came back so many times in so many matches, but unfortunately in the final it didn't click. And also there are some injuries concerns in the playing. So I think Spain deserve it. That's why they won the cup.
Throughout the tournament, people saying Argentina didn't play against a good team like top 20 except England. What was the motive for them? What was the strategy? I think there was lack of attacking play. They couldn't even hit a shot on the target. Our big fan Ashafuddin from Dhanmondi asked a question me last night that the team that couldn't hit a target on a final, are they deserve to be in the final? What do you think?
No, obviously I think they deserve to be in the final, because although in the book list or in the pen and paper they played with Cape Verde and Egypt, although the name are not famous, but all the playing nations like Egypt, Cape Verde and Switzerland, they played really well. Low defense line, and also in counter attack they played really well. Argentina also came back very like a champion team. So I didn't consider that they are the weak team, and against England Argentina played really well. But in the final, yes, it was really, what I can say, unusual. The team who qualified for the final didn't give shot on target in 90 minutes. But it happens sometimes in
football history. World Cup final never happened before.
Yeah.
The team into the final, everybody expect them to play 50-50. Both sides are equal, but there was like one-sided game. Spain playing like they're passing, dribbling, everything on target, 80% ball on their position. Argentina just couldn't make the position. They just was not in the game. That is very disappointing for the supporters and for the fans. Do you think the upcoming World Cups, will they make it in the finals? Because I think Leo, this is the last time. If that happens, the history says Argentina, one player carry them like Maradona, and Messi carrying them. Now, if you see any further players who can carry them in next World Cups.
Yeah, I think Lionel Messi played the last match in the World Cup final, but it is difficult because there will be a transition period, because the youngsters and so many young players will be in charge of Argentina team. There are some young talents. I think Nico Paz and McAllister and Enzo Fernandez. I think it will take some time, because it will take some transition time. I think within 2000 before the next World Cup, I think they will form a team who can participate and also qualify for the good match also in the final.
The fight after the match, what was that? You didn't play well. You were attacking the Spain players. The players you support, they shown aggression, not in the field, but after the match. The fans are not good for the team, I don't think.
Yeah, in
for the
football,
game.
in sports, sometimes something heat of the moment, something happens. It's also part and parcel of the game. But they are really much disappointed. Out of disappointing, sometimes it happens. But as a playing nation, and also as a playing nation, and Argentina, the heritage and all other things they carry, I think it is against them. So I think good sportsmanship is very much important. I think because of the anger and disappointment, they act like this. But I think in future it will not happen.
Thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you.